In this video, you will see how to insert down arrow in Word on Mac. In the first method, which is a equation method, you first need to click here on the Insert tab, and here you will see the option of equation. Just click on this option and you will see this blue box. You can click here on the down arrow, scroll down until you see this arrow section and just select the option down arrow. You can also type backslash down arrow and press enter on your keyboard to get the down arrow symbol. Next method is a advanced symbol method. Just go to the insert tab and click on advanced symbol. Next to the font, type Wingdings 3 and press enter. You will see here arrows. Just click on the down arrow and then press on insert to insert the arrow symbol. For Mac users, the keyboard shortcut to type arrow is press and hold the control key, then command and space bar. You will see this emoji window. Just type arrow, scroll down, and here you will see the option of down arrow. Click on it to insert it into the document. At last, this is the most easy shortcut method. Just go to the Google and type down arrow symbol. You will see here down arrow symbol somewhere on the web page. Just select it, copy it, go to the document and then paste the symbol. So in this way you can easily copy paste down arrow in Word Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.